In this video, I will show you how to add animations to your Shopify store. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. On your current theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor loads, click the Theme Settings icon, represented by the gear icon in the left-hand panel. Next, select Animations to open the animation settings. Here, you'll find several animation options, including Page Transition, Product Card to Product Page Transition, and Add to Cart animation. Simply enable the toggle next to each animation you'd like to use. Below these settings, you'll also find the Card Hover Effect option. Open the drop-down menu and choose an effect such as Lift, Zoom, or Scale, depending on the style you prefer. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview in the theme editor. Once you're happy with the animations, click Save in the top right corner to apply them to your store. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.